We are used to saving nature, cleaning, planting, restoring what we have damaged. Always reactive, always too late. But what if nature no longer needed saving? Through rewilding, the bison have returned to the Țarcu Mountains. Approximately 250 individuals now roam here, more than half of which were born in the wild. Bison are true ecosystem engineers. They create paths through dense vegetation, keep meadows open, reduce wildfire risk, support the return of other species, and help fight climate change. A Yale study shows that 170 bison can offset the emissions of over 43,000 cars each year through nutrient cycling and maintaining healthy grasslands. Bison are slowly reclaiming their place in the wild, but their survival still requires time, careful monitoring, new releases, and more support from people like you, who care about what we all leave behind for our children. Become part of the most spectacular wildlife comeback story in Europe. Through rewilding, nature and people can thrive together. Get involved,